Oh, that was scary.
Did you get that?
Oh, that was scary.
That was scary.
I tried doing it at home, it didn't work.
Whoa! I bet that's what they did in Harry Potter. You know the Goblet of Fire. I want to do it. I bet that's what they did.
I'm picking people who've been absolutely brilliant all year, really well behaved.
Yeah, but I'm
Ready, you're as well
really.
behaved.
I'm brilliant. Because I'm on the board right now.
I'm the worst.
By the way, the little red button's flashing.
Daniel, if you
Yeah,
really
that
want to
makes
speak,
Sir, they don't have any
That means
goggles.
it's on.
he's alright, it's not here. Don't touch it to the bubbles until I say, okay? So like that.
Because your arm could get set on fire, couldn't it?
I know that'd be really dangerous, wouldn't it? If I managed to get myself set on fire.
Oh, sir, don't, sir! Oh, that's what they did at Park Academy.
I'll keep it level.
Oh, sir! They put it on one of the students' hands.
Yeah, you just be there like.
Oh my God!
Oh, just imagine that.
That's probably what they do in the film.
Say, your magic.
I know.
Your magic, say.
Whoa!
Keep going. I got the magic in me.
Sir! Shut up.
Okay, one more, last one, the grand finale.
The grand finale.
Freya, come here, please.
Believe it's not so.
I love grand
With
finale.
magic.
Oh no, he just.
Shut up! Stop singing, girl!
Stop singing, girl. Grace, sing to your dinosaurs when you get home.
Shut up, man.
I'm not going to do this.
Don't baby.
Right.
You don't beg
Freya,
it.
when I say wait.
Oh,
okay,
that's good, isn't it?
You need to wait. When I
anyone
say you're
ever
going to
died
light
from
it, okay?
Have I
Don't
said
touch the
right
bubbles
every
until I
time?
tell you to.
Has anyone ever died?
Oh, I know what's going to happen.
Okay? And then what you're going to do is, these bubbles are going to start floating. They're going to start floating in the air. So don't light it yet, because we're not ready yet.
Oh, that's going to be sick. Let's get HD, man.
HD. That was
Okay,
such
light
a
it now.
deep.
High definition, guys.
Don't touch it yet. Wait till I say. That's it. Okay, get ready. It's going to go in a minute.
Yo!
That's it. Go. Now like that. One more time.
Oh, yeah.
I want to please. No, just sing. That was sick.
Come on, say.
Andrew, come here.
Freya, I should let him into
Andrew, shut for you. Yeah, so am I.
I know, you much better behave this time, Luke.
Please, say.
Okay, so when I say...
Oh, it's very cool. Come on, say. Trust me. I did the squealing mento. I did the squealing mento thing.
Can you get
That's
us?
reward for good behaviour. This is what you get when you behave well. Joe and General.
Yeah, but I know
okay,
that
get ready. That's going to go in a minute. Not until. Keep it away. Go, go, go. Oh, what's that again?
Andrew!
Oh, no, that's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Because if it happened to you, you wouldn't like it.
I know, but he
Yeah,
did
but
it
that's
wrong.
the thing. It wouldn't happen to
I
us.
know.
It wouldn't happen to me because I'm a bit.
Don't think I am.
Don't bet it. You know I am.
I bet you did it on purpose so we
I'm
can
not
do it
getting
again.
that. Wait, blow it out.
Just keep lighting a fire, man. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Light a fire.
Yeah.
I know, put it in
Never
fire.
believe it's not.
So.
Okay, light it.
Right.
Don't
It was
wait
so
till the
funny.
bubbles till I say.
Jordan was in crossbow and he went.
You have to put.
I go out with, and then I shouted, Freddie! Because
Don't get... Oh, wait, keep it away a second.
Put this on YouTube.
It's going to go and a second.
it's magic.
Okay, go, Andrew.
Whoa!
Oh my god, that was sick!
That was the biggest one you've done!